Hello, how are you?
I'm fine, thank you. And you?
I'm very well, thanks. What is your name?
My name is Maria. What's your name?
My name is Alex. Nice to meet you, Maria.
Nice to meet you too, Alex.
Where are you from?
I'm from Mexico. Where are you from?
I'm from Brazil.
Oh, Brazil. That's interesting. What city are you from?
I'm from São Paulo. It's a big city.
Yes, I know São Paulo. I'm from Mexico City.
Mexico City is big too, right?
Yes, very big. How old are you, Alex?
I am 26 years old. And you?
I'm 24 years old.
What do you do? Do you work or study?
I'm a student. I study English and business.
That's great. I work. I'm a graphic designer.
Wow. Do you like your job?
Yes, I love it. I create designs for websites.
That sounds interesting. Is it difficult?
Sometimes, but it's fun.
Where do you work?
I work at a small company downtown.
Do you work every day?
No, I work Monday to Friday.
What time do you start work?
I start at 9 o'clock in the morning.
What time do you finish?
I finish at 6 in the evening.
That's a long day.
Yes, but I have a lunch break.
How long is your lunch break?
It's 1 hour. What about you? When do you study?
I have classes in the morning from 8 to 12.
Do you study every day?
No, I study Monday, Wednesday, and Friday.
So you have free time on other days?
Yes, on Tuesday and Thursday I rest or work part-time.
What part-time job do you have?
I work at a coffee shop.
Do you like working there?
Yes, I meet many people. It's nice.
That's good. Are you married, Maria?
No, I'm single. What about you?
I'm single too.
Do you have a boyfriend?
No, I don't. Do you have a boyfriend?
No, not now.
Where do you live in this city?
I live near the university. And you?
I live in the city center.
Do you live alone?
No, I live with my brother.
Oh, you have a brother?
Yes, I have one brother and one sister.
How old is your brother?
He is 29 years old.
What does he do?
He's a teacher. He teaches math.
That's nice. What about your sister?
She's 22. She's still a student.
What does she study?
She studies medicine.
Wow, that's difficult.
Yes, very difficult. Do you have brothers or sisters?
Yes, I have two sisters.
Are they older or younger?
One is older, one is younger. My older sister is 27.
What does she do?
She's a nurse.
And your younger sister?
She's 19. She studies art.
That's interesting. Do you live with your family?
No, I live alone here. My family is in Mexico.
Do you miss them?
Yes, very much. I call them every week.
That's good. Do you visit them?
Yes, I visit twice a year.
When was your last visit?
I visited them 2 months ago.
Do you live in a house or apartment?
I live in a small apartment. And you?
I live in an apartment too.
How many rooms do you have?
We have 3 rooms, 2 bedrooms, and 1 living room.
Do you have a kitchen?
Yes, we have a small kitchen.
I have a studio apartment. Everything is in one room.
Is it big enough?
It's small, but it's okay for me.
Is the rent expensive?
Yes, a little expensive. I pay $800 per month.
We pay $1,200 for our apartment.
That's more expensive.
Yes, but we share it, so it's $600 each.
That's good. Do you like your apartment?
Yes, it's comfortable. Do you like yours?
Yes, and it's close to my school.
That's convenient. How do you go to school?
I walk. It takes 10 minutes. How do you go to work?
I take the subway.
How long does it take?
About 30 minutes.
Do you drive a car?
No, I don't. Cars are expensive.
Yes, and parking is difficult in the city.
True. I prefer walking or taking the bus.
Me too. Can you ride a bike?
Yes, I can. Can you?
Yes, I ride a bike on weekends sometimes.
Where do you ride?
In the park near my house, there's a nice path.
That sounds nice. I like parks.
Do you exercise?
Yes, I go to the gym twice a week.
What do you do at the gym?
I do yoga and some cardio.
I don't go to the gym much.
What do you do for exercise?
I play soccer with friends on Sundays.
Do you like soccer? Yes, I love it. It's very popular in Brazil.
I know, Brazil has a great soccer team.
Thank you. Do you like sports?
Yes, I like swimming.
Can you swim well?
Yes, I learned when I was a child.
That's great. I can swim, but not very well.
You can practice. Is there a pool near your home?
Yes, there's a public pool.
You should go.
Maybe I will. What do you do in your free time?
I like reading books and watching movies.
What kind of books do you read?
I like novels and self-help books.
Do you read in English or Spanish?
I read in both languages.
That's good practice for English.
Yes, it helps a lot. Do you read books?
Not much. I prefer watching movies.
What kind of movies do you like?
I like action movies and comedies.
I like comedies too. They're funny.
Do you watch movies in English?
Yes, with subtitles. It helps me learn.
That's a good idea. I do the same.
Do you listen to music?
Yes, every day. I love music.
What kind of music do you like?
I like rock and pop music. What about you?
I like Latin music and pop.
Do you play any musical instruments?
No, I can't. Can you?
I can play guitar a little bit.
Really? That's cool.
I learned when I was young.
Do you still play?
Sometimes, when I have time.
What do you do on weekends?
On Saturday, I clean my apartment and go shopping.
Where do you go shopping?
I go to the supermarket and sometimes to the mall.
What do you buy?
Food, clothes, things for the house.
Do you cook?
Yes, I cook dinner almost every day.
What do you cook?
Simple things. Pasta, rice, chicken, vegetables.
Do you like cooking?
Yes, it's relaxing. Do you cook?
Yes, but I'm not very good.
You can learn. Cooking is easy.
Maybe. What do you eat for breakfast?
I eat bread, eggs, and drink coffee.
I usually eat cereal and fruit.
Do you drink coffee?
No, I prefer tea.
What kind of tea?
Green tea or chamomile.
Is it good?
Yes, very good and healthy.
I should try it. What do you eat for lunch?
At school, I usually eat a sandwich or salad.
I bring lunch from home to work.
That's smart. It saves money.
Yes, eating out is expensive.
True. What do you eat for dinner?
Different things. Yesterday, I made spaghetti.
I love spaghetti.
Me too. Do you eat meat?
Yes, but not too much. I eat more vegetables.
That's healthy. Do you like vegetables?
Some vegetables. I like tomatoes and carrots.
I like almost all vegetables.
Do you have a favorite food?
Yes, I love tacos. They're from Mexico.
Tacos are delicious. We have tacos here too.
But Mexican tacos are the best.
I believe you. What's your favorite drink?
I like fresh juice, especially orange juice.
I like juice too. Do you drink soda?
Not really. It has too much sugar.
That's true. I drink water most of the time.
That's the healthiest choice.
Are you healthy?
Yes, I try to be healthy.
Do you get sick often?
No, not often. Maybe once or twice a year.
That's good. Do you go to the doctor regularly?
Yes, I have a checkup once a year.
That's important. I should do that too.
Yes, you should. Are you healthy?
Yes, I feel good most of the time.
Do you sleep well?
Usually, yes. I sleep about 7 hours.
That's good. I sleep 8 hours.
What time do you go to bed?
I go to bed at 11 p.m.
Me too. I go to bed at 11.
What do you do in the morning?
First, I take a shower.
I take a shower at night before bed.
Really? I prefer morning showers.
Different people, different habits.
True. What else do you do in the morning?
I brush my teeth, get dressed, and eat breakfast.
Do you drink coffee first thing?
Yes, always. I need coffee to wake up.
I drink water first, then tea.
That's probably healthier.
Do you check your phone in the morning?
Yes, I check messages and news.
Me too. Everyone does that now.
Yes, phones are everywhere.
Do you use social media?
Yes, I use Instagram and Facebook.
I use Instagram too, and WhatsApp.
WhatsApp is very useful for communication.
Yes, I talk to my family on WhatsApp.
Do you take photos?
Yes, I like taking photos of food and places.
Do you post them on Instagram?
Sometimes. Do you?
Yes, I post my design work sometimes.
That's good for your business.
Yes, it helps me find clients.
What do you do on Sunday?
On Sunday, I relax. I play soccer, then rest at home.
That sounds nice. I usually study on Sunday.
Do you study all day?
No, just a few hours. Then I watch movies or call friends.
Do you have many friends here?
I have a few friends from school.
Do you go out with them?
Yes, sometimes we go to cafes or the cinema.
That's nice. I go out with my brother and his friends.
Where do you go?
We go to restaurants or bars.
Do you like going to bars?
Sometimes, but I prefer quiet places.
Me too. I don't like loud places.
Do you like this city?
Yes, it's beautiful and has many things to do.
I like it too. The people are friendly.
True, everyone is nice.
Is it very different from Mexico City?
Yes, it's smaller and quieter.
Do you miss Mexico?
Yes, especially the food and my family.
I understand. I miss Brazil too sometimes.
What do you miss most?
I miss my family and Brazilian food.
What's your favorite Brazilian food?
Feijoada. It's a bean and meat stew.
That sounds delicious.
It is. You should try it.
I will. Can you cook it?
Not very well. My mother cooks it better.
Mothers always cook better.
That's true. Do you speak to your mother often?
Yes, we video call every Sunday.
That's sweet. I call my parents on weekends too.
Technology makes it easy to stay connected.
Yes, that's one good thing about phones.
Do your parents speak English?
No, they only speak Portuguese.
My parents speak only Spanish.
So we're learning English for better opportunities.
Yes, exactly. English is important for work.
And for traveling too.
True. Do you like traveling?
Yes, I love it. I want to travel more.
Where do you want to go?
I want to visit Europe and Asia.
Me too. I want to see Paris and Tokyo.
Those cities are beautiful.
Have you traveled much?
I've been to Argentina and Peru.
How was it?
Amazing. The food and culture were great.
I've only traveled in Mexico.
Mexico has beautiful places too.
Yes, beaches and historical sites.
Do you like the beach?
Yes, I love the beach.
Me too. Brazil has amazing beaches.
I know. I want to visit Brazil someday.
You should. You're welcome to visit.
Thank you. And you can visit Mexico.
I'd love to. What's the weather like there?
In Mexico City, it's mild, not too hot or cold.
Sao Paulo is similar, sometimes rainy.
What's the weather like here today?
Today it's sunny and warm.
Yes, perfect weather.
Do you like sunny weather?
Yes, I prefer sun to rain.
Me too. Rain makes me sleepy.
I like rain sometimes for sleeping.
True, rain is good for sleeping.
What's your favorite season?
I like summer. I love warm weather. What about you?
I like spring. The flowers are beautiful.
Spring is nice too.
Do you have any pets?
No, my apartment doesn't allow pets. Do you?
No, but I want a cat.
Cats are nice and independent.
Yes, perfect for apartment living.
Do you like animals?
Yes, very much. I love dogs and cats.
I like dogs. They're very friendly.
Do you have a pet in Brazil?
My parents have a dog.
What's the dog's name?
His name is Max.
That's a cute name.
He's a cute dog. I miss him.
You can see him when you visit.
Yes, I will visit next year.
That's nice. Family is important.
Very important. What are you doing tomorrow?
Tomorrow I have classes in the morning.
And in the afternoon?
I'll study at home, then work at the coffee shop.
You're very busy.
Yes, but I like being busy.
I have work all day tomorrow.
Do you work on computers?
Yes, I work on my computer all day.
Is that tiring?
Sometimes my eyes get tired.
You should take breaks.
You're right, I should.
This was a nice conversation, Alex.
Yes, it was great practice for English.
Your English is very good.
Thank you. Your English is good too.
Thank you. We're both learning.
Yes, practice makes perfect.
Can we practice again sometime?
Of course. Let's exchange phone numbers.
Good idea. What's your number?
It's 555-0123.
Okay, I'll save it. Mine is 555-4566.
Got it. I'll call you this week.
Great. Maybe we can have coffee.
Yes, I'd like that.
Me too. See you soon, Alex.
See you soon, Maria. Have a nice day.
You too. Goodbye.